Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to cover changing your permalink structure, and I'm going to hopefully be concise and get everything across. Changing your permalink structure is important because basically what it is it's the specific page on your website and how to get to it. So for example, by default, if you were to create a blog post or a page, WordPress is by default going to give you a specific name for that page, like something like question mark equals 89 or p equals 89 or something like that. And that's going to be really hard to remember, and it's not very good for Google because it doesn't tell Google what the page is about or anything like that, and the users can't remember it, so it's just bad. So what you want to do is you want to change it, and so you can go to wp-admin or your dashboard, and then you can go down here and down into settings, and you can change it your permalinks. So click permalinks, and you can change it from plain, which is, again, like I said, p equals 123, to a more simple something like post name. Post name is what I recommend. It's easier, it's shorter, and that's better for Google. But if you want to do something custom, you can use custom structure, and you can just select them in the order that you want them. But we'll stick with post name, and then you hit save changes. Okay, and that's saved. Now you go ahead and create a new post. So if you go ahead and hit post, add new, you're going to get the ability to, well, make your blog post. So I'm going to make mine woof. And then, yep, there's my blog post. Beautiful. And I've noticed that you don't actually, it's weird, it's kind of frustrating, but you don't get your URL until after you publish it for some reason, or that's what I'm noticing for me. And so once I hit publish and hit publish, then it shows up. And then if I want to edit it, I can click edit. And so I can get, woof 2 or woof, save. And then you can view the post. You can also change it here. And yeah, so that's basically how you do it. If you want to do the custom structure, if you really want to do the custom, I don't recommend it, but you go to settings and permalinks, and then custom structure, and then you just put category or whatever one you want, and then post name. And you can kind of look at it and just see how it's structured if you want to come up with your own structure. And then hit save. And then if you create a post, you can edit the post or create a new one or whatever. And you can see that it's uncategorized. So let's go ahead and make it animal noises. I have a category already here. So animal noises, and I'm going to update. Okay. And it should update by itself. So beepbop.co/animal noises, which is the category and the page. And yep, there it is. So that's basically the permalink structures. I hope that was helpful to you. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment, and visit my website to see what we're all about, I guess. I don't know. Have a good one. Bye-bye.